Okay, great. Okay, so now let's try something a little bit different. I'm going to do another example, and then let's see how we can figure this out. So this is on retail merchandising. It says retail buyers are often negotiate 2 or more discounts from a vendor. Suppose a washing machine has a list price of $740, and the buyer obtains trade discounts of 30% and 10% plus a cash discount of 3%. Okay, so we want to find the total cost of the washing machine. So retail buyers often negotiate 2 or more discounts from a vendor. Okay, so suppose a washing machine has a list price of $740 and the buyer obtains trade discounts of 30 and 10% plus cash discount of 3%. I love that, cash discount. So $740 is list price, right? So L is $740. Now they get a 30% and a 10% trade discount. So they get a 30% and a 10% trade discount, and they also get a 3% for paying cash. Okay? So now, okay. So now the question is how do we apply the discounts? Okay, so this is how they do it. So you're going to apply these discounts in succession. But the order doesn't matter. But you have to do it in succession. So what you cannot do in these cases is add these percentages up and then take that percentage of the list price. That's not what they mean to do here. Okay? So these are discounts in succession. Okay? So what we're going to do is let's do the 30%. Right? So we want to find the total cost, right? And so let's start with the 30%. And since it's a 30% discount, we're going to end up with 70% of the price left over. Okay? So let's set it up this way. So let us set it up as P over L equals over R over 100, okay? The reason I'm doing this is because this is not the final price, okay? So I'm just saying price over L equals R. Now this rate is it's not the discount rate, it's the net price rate, if you will. Okay? So instead of 30, I'm going to use 70. So this is going to be P over, so I'm starting with 740. And that equals what? 70 over 100. And so that means I'm going to get P equals 70 over 100 times 740. And so I can figure out what the price is going to be. And it turns out that price, P, is going to be 518. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the next trade as 10%. Okay, so again, I'm going to set up the proportion just like I did before, but now I'm going to do, since the discount is 10%, I'm going to use 90, right? Because I want to know what I have left over. So I'm getting a 10% discount, which means I'm going to keep 90% of the price that's left over. So this price here is now going to come over here and be in my proportion again. So it's going to be what? It's going to be P over 518 now is equal to 90 over 100. And so now I'm going to multiply both sides by 815 and I get P equals 90 over 100 times 518. And so what do I get for that? I get 146.20.
Call from 815
146, yeah, 146.20. Okay, so now,
Call from 815
I'm not done. Now I've got the 3% cash, right? So now, I'm going to end up with 97% of what I have left over. Right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up my last proportion because I've got that 3% discount to take in. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to set up my proportion over here as 146, oh, sorry, as P over 146.2 is now equal to 97 because I want, 97% left over or remaining. And so now this will be my final price. So now I'm going to multiply both sides by 146.2, right? So then P equals 97 over 100 times 146.2. And so I'm going to get, what am I going to get here? If I use the calculator, you get 152. So you get 152.214, or to the nearest penny, it's just going to be $152.21. Okay, and you can do all that in your calculator. Okay, have a great day.